shirt. We've got mirrors to help us be more street legal in Kansas, even though we don't even have to have them. And what do we have here? Front shock tower brace kit. Radius rod double shear bracket for the radius rods here. Tie rod kit. And I think this is the billet radius rods. There's the label. Radius rod kit, high clearance. Wow. They feel amazing. Got the Made in USA flag there. I mean, what quality. What quality. All right, well, this is the lower, if I remember, rods. And I have them all laid out here. They're in order, sort of. It's kind of a weird order that I can keep track of. This is the upper right here. And this one has dual heim joints, and you have to match it end to end. But first you have to put in these heim joint spacers. The black ones go on the adjustable ones, and the silver spacers go on the non-adjustable ends. So this is the middle one, this is the lowest one. These are of course the high clearance ones, which is why they're notched out. And the factory ones only kind of have a bump on the bottom. These ones will give us a bunch more room through the center of the track of this thing. But we're about there. I'm gonna take some wheel bearing grease and I'm gonna lube every one of these heim joint spacers. Hopefully it keeps them from squeaking and rusting over time. And then what we're gonna do is stick a screwdriver through these and match them end to end. Or a bolt or a screwdriver, something that fits nice and tightly, and that should give us perfect measurements for putting these things back on. Now that looks cool. So I gotta repeat on the other side now, and also tighten down my castle nut, pin it and everything like that. It's 184 foot-pounds, or you know, push hard. And finish up all the bolts, put the brake caliper back on, and we are done on that side. Oh, I also need to tighten down the locks on the heim joints there. You can still spin it. Obviously you don't want that to spin, so spin the nuts down and let the jam nuts do the jamming. Wheels and tires are back on. Those radius rods look incredible. I love the new look back here. It's much beefier, and you can see it gives you another, what, 2-3 inches of ground clearance underneath that thing, which should let us go over about everything we need to get over.